Here I have Hyundai i30 and let me show you how to enter the guest mode, the guest profile on this car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Then let's find and select the setup button. Is located right here at the bottom right corner. Choose here the profile. And now let's tap change user. From the following view, you can select driver 1, driver 2 and the guest. Let me tap guest. As you can see, you can even change the language of the guest. It could be English or any other of the following list. Let me leave English and tap confirm. And right now the car, in this case Hyundai i30, is switching the user profile to guest mode. That's it, now you can use your car as a guest. So that's it, thank you for watching, please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.